Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, where we bring you crisp and clear breakdowns of the most popular two-wheelers. Today, let's talk about the Honda Vario, a scooter known for its sharp design, smooth performance, and practical features. Design and styling. The Honda Vario stands out with its sporty and modern styling. Its aggressive front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic body make it look premium. The scooter feels compact yet stylish, appealing especially to urban riders who want a sleek presence on the road. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined engine, the Vario delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. Honda's advanced technology ensures minimal vibrations and responsive throttle feel, making city rides effortless. Whether it's daily commuting or quick runs, the performance stays consistent and reliable. Features and technology. Honda equips the Vario with practical and modern features including a digital instrument cluster, efficient braking system, and smart key technology in higher variants. The underseat storage is spacious enough for everyday use, and the scooter's lightweight design adds to the convenience. Ride quality and comfort. The suspension setup keeps the ride stable over bumps and city roads. The riding posture is comfortable, with well-placed footboard space and a supportive seat. Even in traffic, the scooter remains easy to handle thanks to its balanced weight and smooth engine response. Mileage and practicality. Known for its excellent fuel efficiency, the Honda Vario is designed to keep running costs low. Its build quality, reliable engine, and user-friendly features make it a practical option for students, office commuters, and family use alike. Conclusion. The Honda Vario delivers a strong mix of style, comfort, performance, and economy. For riders seeking a reliable and modern scooter for everyday use, the Vario remains a solid choice in its segment. Let us